Here's a simple packing tip. One thing I like to do is pack some Q-tips inside of a small snack-size Ziploc bag. What I do is I count out the number of mornings I will have on my trip, and I multiply by 2, and that's how many Q-tips I put inside the bag. And then I seal the Ziploc there, and I put it in my luggage, and that way I have some Q-tips to clean my ears or what have you on the road, and they're protected from any possible spillage or moisture or anything like that. And then I just take them and put them in the bathroom, so they're right there when I need them in the morning or whenever you might choose to use them. So very simple, easy packing tip, but I've been doing this for years and find it really quite useful. If you found this tip useful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe and you can see more videos with tons of travel and packing tips and ways to save money when you travel so that hopefully you can travel more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.